Greetings. Today I wanted to show you some of my frequency rings. This is a 528 frequency. I call these that are shaped like a triangle. I call them my pyramid rings, especially when I set them up like this. Although they are not a pyramid, and they're not the easiest ones to make because you're dealing with um, a ring, but you're dealing with an additional um, direction. The 528 is a very, very healing frequency. It's one of the three DNA healing frequencies. There are about 20 frequencies I can make with copper. Excuse me. So you have quite the range to choose from. The other two DNA healing frequencies are the 432 and the 285. But I mean, there are other frequencies that are of benefit, like the Viking is very beneficial. The Indigo 333, which is the King Solomon's frequency. There's different kinds of benefits that each key can have. This said, I can craft rings from size 3 to size 10, and the in between, meaning like 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, all the way to 9.5. The shape could change. In fact, it may change slightly if I got an order to recreate this because it is a handcrafted item. One thing that I have to do to measure it, it's not use the mandrel. That's not accurate enough. That this is the reason for the limitation. It's what I can measure on myself. So I would try on the ring wherever it fits, and then I would go and use the actual rings like I have here to give you the most accurate measurement. That's the limitation. So I can't go past really size 10 with, I mean, I could gauge it, but it'd be a little bit of a risk. So this is a definite 7.5. Let me try it on real quick so that you get an idea of what this may look like. Let's see, here we go. Whoa, there we go. And it all depends on what you're looking for, what frequency, what you're looking to address. It could change a person's frequency and mood throughout the day. As with every frequency tool, I recommend, and you might see this here, that the piece is not welded, so the ends are open. Thus, the energy does not get stagnant. And that is what you want from every one of your frequency tools. This may help different ways. It may be very subtle. You may not even notice, but you are carrying a beneficial frequency. So if for some reason you're hit with some off the wall kind of situation, your ring might help shift and change the vibes on that for the day or however. I love to wear them. I know how they have protected me in the past, along with my keys and even my generators. I've even worn my large generators before, mostly when I'm around the house because I feel this we're being hit with so many waves these days that is as much beneficial frequency I can have on me is going to work very well. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation. I may be able to craft other shapes perhaps. Um, for right now, I'm going to just go with the pyramids as much as possible and leave it at that. Thank you for watching.